Everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, hello! Thank you for clicking this video. So today we are going to the farm to feed our farm animals over there. Let's go! In these clips, I will be showing you my farm animals morning routine. I'll show you what animals I have in the farm and I'll show you how I feed them. And disclaimer lang po, I am not pro in farming. What you can see in these clips are based on our own experience and way of treating the farm animals. Oh, we are here in the farm. Char.
Dato ka girl. Usap na siya, uy, katara, uy, da. Ew.
So I have geese and ducks. And I'm going to feed them first.
Wait, I must get some food over there. Wait. Okay, yay, done.
Okay, let's proceed to the next farm animal.
In order to satisfy the cravings of our candies, we got some hay from the fresh green trees. Now, please help me put this hay on my goat's cage. Goats are my favorite farm animals in here. I just love goats, that's it. That's it. And it's our cow's turn. Now we are on the way to get some hay for the cows. Meet my favorite baka. My attitude na baka. And the most powerful baka because of its white skin. Now, guess what's next? Yeah, the pigs. And we are going to get some feed. Hi, Mommy Pig. Oh, why are you there, Ducky? Hi, Star.
Hi, man.
Hi there. It's really tiring talaga.